It's not gaming, not a vlog. I'm cooking for y'all today. I'm making salmon, as y'all probably saw in the thumbnail, and we just gonna get started. So the first thing you're gonna need is this chef knife, you feel me? Going crazy, it's real sharp, be careful. We got the whole red interior, meat knife, slicing knife, steel, all that, you feel me? Hold up, steel, you feel me? Everything. I'm about to go in there and fillet this salmon. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take this out of the pack. You can grab it and pinch it, however, I just cut it so that vacuum seal goes away. Then we're just going to pull that bad boy back. Now we're going to rinse it off. Next step is really important because you need a very sharp boning knife like this one. I'm just going to move the portion that you're cutting to be centered on your board, and then just cut it in slices that you find best for whoever you're cooking for. So I'm probably going to go about right here. Start on the thick side, full length of the knife, go all the way down to the skin. I'm going to have to put a little bit more force on the skin though. That's hard to cut through. Then there's still pieces connected. You can just take the knife and go in there and separate that. And there's that first piece. And then you just repeat that all the way down. You want to select the pieces that you are actually going to cook. So I'm gonna do this one and probably this one. So they're about the same size, and we're just going to put these three in 3 separate bags. So if you want to cook one, you can just cook one. All right, for this next part, you want to have a cutting board and your selected pieces of meat, and you're going to need paper towels to pat these dry. So got your paper towel already out. You don't have to worry about the skin side because you don't eat the skin. So just take your paper towel, pat that dry. Don't want to push down too hard. You might damage the salmon. It's a very soft piece of meat. So just tap that dry and you're good. All right, so your next step is to put olive oil of your choice. Doesn't really matter. It's just oil really, but I just bought this one because it has this really cool top on it. So we're just gonna put a little bit on top of each piece. You can spread it in with your hands, but I like to use a pastry brush, keep my hands clean. And we just spread that over, and it just helps keep that outside crispy when you're pan frying or doing whatever you're gonna do. Next we have black pepper, dill, and fish seasoning. You want to keep it simple with the fish because the fish has a flavor of its own. Don't want to cover that up. So first you start, I'm going to put on your fish seasoning. Don't be scared to put that on there, because that saltiness is really going to complement the fish. Next, black pepper. If it'll come out the darn thing. Alright, lastly, dill. It's kind of for decoration. Doesn't really matter, but it makes it look really nice. Boom. You're done with that part. Gonna need a little bit of butter for this part as well. This part, just turn your oven on, not your oven, your stove, to almost a high heat, somewhere up in there. Then add some of the oil, not a lot, to your pan. Put your oil in your pot or your pan. If it moves fast, that means it's hot and ready. Alright, so now you just want to put your salmon in the pan, skin side up, away from you, like that. You put it in away from you, so if there's something splashing, you won't destroy yourself. So skin side in, away from you. It's gonna let that cook on this side, and if you look on the side of the meat here, you'll be able to see as it begins to change colors, it'll come up the side and turn from a less pink color to more of a whitish pink. About now, you see a little bit of browning around the bottom. I'm gonna go ahead and add in a big old glob of butter on each side. And just smooth that around. When you go to flip these over, you want to use rubber utensils on non-stick. Do not put no metal in a non-stick pan. Just gonna grab it on either side, doesn't really matter. Give it a flip and got that nice top on there. We're gonna do the other one same way. Boom.
G, you made this shit.